Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Practice Channel. I'm Sarah, and I'm so glad you're here today.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm Mark. It's wonderful to see you all. Let's relax, smile, and enjoy practicing English together.
Mark, I'm really excited today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling inspired, Sarah. I noticed something creative on my way here, and it stayed in my mind.
Oh, that's a nice way to start. Tell me more.
Well, I saw someone drawing in a park, just sketching trees and people. It looks so peaceful and imaginative.
I love that. It reminds us that creativity is everywhere, doesn't it?
Exactly. And that's actually a perfect introduction to our topic today.
Oh, what are we talking about today?
Today, we're exploring everyday creativity, how we can be creative in simple, ordinary ways.
That's such a refreshing topic. People sometimes think creativity is only for artists, but it's really for everyone.
Absolutely. So, Sarah, let me ask you, when you hear the word creativity, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
I think of making something new, maybe cooking a meal, writing a note, or even organizing a room. It's about expressing yourself.
I love that. Creativity doesn't have to be a painting in a museum. It can be in our daily lives.
Yes. Mark, would you describe yourself as a creative person?
You know, a few years ago, I would have said no. I thought creativity meant being good at drawing or music, but now I see it differently.
How did that change happen?
I started noticing small things, like how I arrange my books or the way I tell a story to a friend. Those are creative acts too.
That's so true. We all have creativity inside us. We just express it differently.
Sarah, what's one ordinary way you're creative in your life?
I enjoy taking photos with my phone, not professional pictures, just moments. A cup of coffee, a shadow on the wall, my cat sleeping. It helps me see beauty in ordinary things.
That's a beautiful habit. It's like collecting little pieces of everyday magic.
Yes, and it doesn't require special skills, just attention.
Attention is a wonderful word. Sometimes creativity is just paying attention to the world around us.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about trying new things. Mark, have you tried any new creative activities recently?
Yes, I started writing short poems, just 2 or 3 lines about my day. It helps me reflect and play with words.
I love that idea. It's like a diary, but more imaginative.
And it's fun. I don't worry about whether it's good or bad. The process is what matters.
That's a great attitude. Many people don't try creative things because they're afraid of not being good at them.
True. But creativity is about joy, not perfection.
Well said. What about creative problem solving, like finding a new way to organize your time or solve a small problem at home?
Oh, that's creativity too. Like using a shoebox as a drawer organizer or finding a shortcut while walking. Our minds are always creating solutions.
Yes, so creativity isn't just about art, it's about thinking in new ways.
And it can reduce stress. When I'm doing something creative, I feel calm and focused.
Me too. It's like meditation. You forget about time.
That's a good feeling. Now, let's think about our listeners. Everyone has creativity inside. Maybe they haven't noticed it yet.
Let's ask them to think about it. What's one small creative thing you did this week?
It could be anything. Cooking a meal, choosing your clothes, singing in the shower, writing a to-do list with colored pens.
Yes, and if you think you did nothing creative, look again. Maybe you told a joke or comforted a friend with kind words. That's creativity too.
Language itself is creative. Every sentence we speak is a new combination of words.
That's a great point. When we practice English, we're being creative with language.
So everyone, when you practice English today, remember, you're already being creative.
Now, let's talk about barriers. What stops people from expressing creativity?
I think fear is the biggest barrier. Fear of judgment or fear of making mistakes.
But mistakes can lead to new ideas. If we're too afraid, we might miss something wonderful.
Exactly. Creativity is about experimenting, not following strict rules.
Mark, do you think technology helps or hurts everyday creativity?
Both. Sometimes we watch videos instead of making something, but technology can also help, like using apps to write or make digital art.
Balance is key. We can use technology as a tool, not just for consumption.
Well said. Sarah, let's dream a little. If you could learn one new creative skill this year, what would it be?
I'd love to learn how to knit. Making something warm and useful with my hands sounds so satisfying.
That's a lovely idea. The repetitive motion seems relaxing too.
Yes. What about you, Mark?
I'd like to learn basic gardening. Growing a plant from a seed feels like creating life.
That's beautiful. And you can start small, just one pot on a windowsill.
Exactly. Start small, enjoy the process, and see what happens.
That's good advice for anything, including learning English.
Yes. Now, let's give our listeners a little challenge.
Okay, here's a simple creative challenge. Tomorrow, try to notice one beautiful or interesting detail in your day and describe it in English.
Even one sentence is perfect. For example, today I noticed the sunlight making shapes on the floor.
That's it. Simple, creative, and good English practice.
And remember, creativity connects us. When we create, we share a part of ourselves.
Even if no one sees it, it still matters. It makes our lives richer.
I couldn't agree more. Before we finish, let's do one more thing.
Yes?
Let's each share one creative moment from our past that made us happy.
Okay. Once I made a simple birthday card for a friend by hand. I drew little stars and wrote a poem inside. She said it was her favorite gift.
That's wonderful. My moment was when I tried to cook my grandmother's soup recipe. It didn't taste exactly like hers, but the process made me feel connected to her.
Those are the kinds of creative acts that stay in our hearts.
So, dear listeners, we encourage you to find your everyday creativity.
And share it with us if you'd like. In the comments, tell us one small creative thing you enjoy doing.
Or tell us about a creative dream you have, like learning to dance, playing an instrument, or decorating your space.
Write in English. Take your time. We're here to learn and grow together.
Thank you for bringing your creativity here today. Remember, your voice, your ideas, and your perspective are unique.
Keep creating, keep practicing English, and keep shining in your own way.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little creative inspiration.
Until next time, stay curious and kind to yourself.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep creating every day. Wave!